Hey everyone, welcome back to another Versus video, and today we have Nathan Drake from Uncharted. Now, I know that the comparison in this video is going to be kind of like two different genres, but they both have incredible hair. So this is kind of like a Tom Cruise classic haircut, and the one thing about this is that it's not really super short on the sides. It's probably a good, I'd say, inch and a half the most, and it kind of works its way up into the top, which honestly, this is really great for somebody who wants a low maintenance haircut, but can still dress it up and make it look good with a product such as, I would say, my crafted matte paste, the sea salt paste, Clutch XL, the matte crafted matte paste. I mean, like, you can use talc. Talc would be amazing for this. My talc matte powder, that would all be amazing for this type of hairstyle. The only thing about this type of style is that it's probably going to start to grow out over time, where you're not going to be able to have the ability to style it as far as like spiking it, making it messy and textured. But I've the one thing when I played these games, the series, and I was just like, man, that is like amazing, that hair. And I have to give credit to, all the animators and people who create these characters. It's like, wow, they really make the hair look so realistic. And as games progress, and let me know in the comments below, please, if you're a gamer, if you are into, these types of things, these characters, these video games, what do you play? I'd love to know in the comments below, because I think that would be super cool. Because I'm thinking, believe it or not, about starting like a gaming channel and even like a Discord type thing. I know it sounds crazy. You're probably all like, wait, what? But yeah, I've been a gamer since I've been, I don't know, a young kid. So I love games and stuff like that. But anyway, I mean, look at that hair. It's friggin' awesome. And it's really, it's one of those where I think it's still a very popular hairstyle. You could wear it formal, you could wear it casual. I mean, it's something that really can be styled very easily. Just show picture of this to your barber or your stylist. All right, next up. This is it. Leon Kennedy, Resident Evil. Unfortunately, when I play Resident Evil, I get serious motion sickness. It's like awful. But this is, and I've done haircut tutorials and videos of both of these characters here on my channel. Just search the names and then add the Salon Guy to it. But this really was a huge video on my channel when I did Leon's hair. And I mean, it's really awesome because, it's kind of a side part. He's had different kind of variations or colors, I should say, but that one side part is something that's very classic to his look. And I think for someone who has really pin straight hair, this wouldn't necessarily work well for, really dry, frizzy, curly hair, wavy hair. It really works great for someone who's got pin straight hair, a good amount of hair. The hair could be fine or thick, doesn't matter. It's just you have to have a lot of hair for this. And again, it's somebody who is okay with wearing a side part, and you can see it's more of a triangular shape, which means it's going shorter in the back to longer in the front. This is great for someone who has a round face, someone who wants to have more of a slimming type of haircut, because triangular shapes where it's longer in the front, it kind of really narrows in the cheekbone area. So it has the illusion of making things look leaner. And that's why it looks a little more closer to the head, and it kind of elongates the cheekbones a little bit. So this is a great haircut for somebody who wants to kind of narrow the roundness of their bone structure. And again, it's just, if you're okay with wearing your hair down all the time, because this is a hairstyle that will fall in the face, fall in the eyes all the time. Again, now, by changing the colors is a whole different thing, because when you do hair color, especially going from like really dark to really light, I mean, this is a huge bleach job. This is a double process toner. I mean, this is a big job as far as color goes, and you do kind of run the risk of damaging the hair potentially, because you have to pre-lighten it, use some harsh, hard products on it. So it's brutal. But the one thing to pay note of is the length in the front. For this haircut, if you want this haircut, it has to be shorter in the back to longer in the front. And if you were to pull it straight down, it would probably go to the top of his lip. So make sure if you're going to wear this hairstyle for day to day or any sort of cosplay stuff, whatever it is, you have to make sure that the hair is slightly thinned out towards the ends and that it's longer in the front. Again, you can search these characters, add the Salon Guy, and watch the hair tutorials I've done on them. If you are interested in purchasing any of my products, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.